Mm-hmm. Don't you call my pants, you little bastard. Now it's stuck to me.
Meow. Meow. Meow.
A weird cat.
Meow, meow, meow.
And my husband.
Meow. 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 Meow.
Yes, his baby is inside me. Now let's see if Glenn can pet the kitty. Oh.
Hey. What's wrong? Can't let you in. I don't got anything. Oh my god, you are cute, but you are a stray. What? I got no food. I'm sorry. Oh my god. You are adorable. Do you know this cat? He was like trying to get in the building. Look, see, he's trying to get in. Sorry, buddy.
Alright, Anime Lover 433 here. And
Tamed.
we are here with something adorable and home. We found kittens, or rather, we knew stray had kittens in the neighborhood, so we told the neighbors to watch for them.
My favorite one is Apple. She's adorable. Oh, don't jump, don't jump, don't jump.
What happened to Miku?
Miku's
Okay.
hiding behind the brick.
Miku!
Mama ran off.
Miku! The reason we are wearing gloves is because, well, they're kittens, we don't know what they might have.
And they're stray.
That too. And there are two others who are lazy and do not want to come down. And there's Landon, and he's the creamy orange one. Tamate says orange, and I say cream. We'll figure out who's right when he's older. And then there's the other calico who we did not name because we're lazy. Kitties to ground. Kitties!
That's pretty.
Well, anyways, they're adorable and they're gonna get adopted soon. I mean, look at this. How could you not? How could you not love this adorable? Oh, I picked up a leaf there. Adorable little kitten. Adorable kitten. A very adorable kitten with a very adorable mew.
Leaf Apple has a heart on her back.
You think that looks like a heart?
Well, if the fur is like parted right, but otherwise it's kind of a triangle. Me too, you're so playful. Toy from earlier. Maybe?
Yeah, they're kittens and
They're adorable.
yeah, well. Anyways, don't abandon cats. Go adopt one. Don't abandon dogs either. So in other words, don't abandon your pets. Because they're awesome. And kittens are adorable. But seriously, get your cat spayed because kittens are bad. Even if they're cute. Okay. I'm going to take one last glance at what happened to Landon. Oh my gosh. Oh, there he is. Well, it's adorable.